Collage has roots in two main parts of art history: Surrealism, Cubism, Dali, Picasso. But recently it's been remixed in a modernist way and it's really making its way through social content. But this isn't an art history class, this is YouTube, so let's make stuff. Collage is the ultimate remix, so you have to start with source material. But where do you get your source material? Obviously, the first resource is obviously the internet. There are a ton of free stock photo sites out there. My go-to is Unsplash, but I'm not going to give you a big list of other ones because Google it, bruh. So just grab old books, magazines, newspapers, whatever you have. You can rip things out of those, scan them, photograph them, whatever you need to do, and get them on the computer and use those as source material as well. The most important part of collaging is selecting. In Photoshop, you need to be able to select what you want and don't want in order to remix the source material in a new way. My go-to for the selection tool is the pen tool. It is the most accurate and precise and is going to provide the cleanest edges on things, but it is also the most labor intensive. Practice your Bezier curve, mouse clicking.
The oil and water separates, let's demonstrate. Capitalize and itemize, then levitate. Books pop the page, rebellious pen with poisonous ink. Write a verse like biblical hymns. So blessed to be a part and make this hip-hop shift and move. It's Christmas, I'm unwrapping the gift. Hold your own, if you got it, you can hold theirs too. Got cheese, dip into a poo fondue. Step lightly, these are eggshells, crack your yoke. Spit a flow, cool the mic off, then watch it smoke. Oh, you freestyle, I'm laughing, but these words ain't jokes. Don Rickles, you fickle and lost 3 strokes. Recognize big Skittz is the power to hold. Paperback the hard copy, write a golden scroll. Up and down like winter feathers, I'm applying the code. Flow deep like Atlantis, water to earth, yo. Hip hop ain't dead, it was drunk for a minute. Rehydrated and splashing right back in it. I jet son, flying like I'm Elroy's dad. A Jackson for beats, let it know that I'm bad. Let's get it, let's move it.
The lasso and wand type tools are going to be looser, less specific selection tools, but they're great for really well-defined areas or tight-ass deadlines.
To the pool and let the party begin. Peep the error in the time zone, or indeed. Clock watcher like a referee planting a seed. Nurture culture, but some won't listen. Steady bitching while I'm pitching, standing outside pissing. Some say Skittz got aluminum flow. Never thought the way I moved didn't improve with the glow. See, I can shape it in a ball or fold it into a square. Either way, it's gonna shine when my aura appear. Before you cast your verdict, shake, react, nervous. Your best is so basic, just lines and lines. Don't take time to motivate and master your grind. Pledge allegiance to my crew. Mic check 1, 2. It's the ritual that realness created in me. Meaning prime with the air that I breathe. In the box like the batter, screaming next like who's up? 1 ace, 4 kings, full house, pull up. Hip hop ain't dead, it was drunk for a minute. Rehydrated the splash and right back in it. I jet son, flying like I'm Elroy's dad. A Jackson for beats, let it know that I'm bad. Let's get it, let's move it, let's pop the tank. Tell these part-time flappers that I'm ready to bank. Weakest link is bound to bring my strength within. Bring the ink to the pool and let the party begin. I hold this game like a running back, tight. Through the whole first and goal touchdown, aight? Talk can be taught, but you working like us. Combo the flow, so my position with Russ is not to be disputed. I crawled and then walked, step to the stand, open the box to talk. Tired of mad rappers spitting wasteful rhymes. Wipe the lipstick off, be down to get some FaceTime. Scared of what you know, not keeping the flow high. Like pea soup split.
Layering is really the main technique in collaging. It's about taking the source material, cutting up in new ways, and stacking it on top of each other to make something new. One go-to technique that I use for that is creating a foreground, a midground, and a background. Now, layering isn't the only way you can do collaging. There are plenty of awesome people doing it in many different ways, but it's my go-to way, and it's art, bro. Figure it out. Make something.
And this is dedicated to you, to you, to you and you, to you. This is just a dedication to you. ACE in the house tonight. Blessings and manifestations. Click, click. Skittz. One time I was told by a wise man to hold the mic just like the opposite of frying pan, spitting like a 5 fan. I blaze the grain, leave a trail of letters hoping you can spell my name. Overthink to understand the power of one. Working, grinding, sweating like I had me a son. Use these lines like George, the jungle is mine. Bet you never cracked a coconut or swung on a vine. This is Animal Planet, damn it. So many of us never seem to react. And when you seem to be lost, keep your eagle eye open, straight to imagery, production, and fact. Switch from fiction to friction, to glides and strides. Every creature has a purpose on a different ride. Questions asked? Not. The door's open, you can come inside. You only know the city, park benches and deadbolts. Coffee sipping, sick puffin', thinking you long stroke. I'm pure breed, can it be cured? It's the elixir. Is there a need for more? Can't promise I can fix her. The trap caught the hand for snatching the cheese. Reset, let me in front of that. I'm back in the breeze. I ain't coming back home until this mission's complete. Orbital around the globe, variations of speech.
Principles of Cubism and Surrealism that you can incorporate in your collage work are things like use of angles from Cubism and being able to direct the viewer's eye throughout the page by using distinct angles throughout the composition. And for Surrealism, it's really that like, what the f moment. How do you create something that people look at and they're just like unsure of and just, what is that? Like, if you can create that effect that Surrealism did, then I think you've got a collage that people are gonna pay attention to and be interested in.
Write the rhymes that make the crowd chill. Hands in the air, reverse and stand still. It's a convex conduction, cook and bubble the track. Navigate a hot potato, have you throwing it back. Little fish can come along but can't stay in the boat. Don't worry, we ain't leaving, you get towed with a rope. Page 1, the book of struggle, keep flipping the page. Read about the need to elevate the minimum wage.
Hey yo, somebody needs to tell them Big Skittz and the Ace. Know the deal on the real and we're up in the stakes. All hands on deck, either pump them or wave. For this real hip hop, we got something to say.
I know we eager, anxious, waiting for the stimulus check. Most you rappers gotta go and stimulate some respect. You see, MCs is cool when it comes to this. True to the culture, stay away from the mist. Clear skies, yo, we flying continental with eyes. And stay redder than the condiments you put on your fries. Touchdown like Reggie and Marv, we got a new dome. All directions of the compass, just glad to be home. This goes out to my mom and blood brother. My family knows I'm referred to as brothers. My pops and all moms that gave birth to all mothers. Sister girls in my world and all the God's others. Got room, reduce calories, let's keep it involved. Sugar and water, mix it, heat it up and dissolve. Complex, the dismount, now with a discount. Ankle sprains entertain like a playoff game. Keep going, gotta stay within the range. Sticking to the script, knowing my scheme won't change. What can I say? Hey, the job is good these days. Got a 401 kicking with a capital K.
Back in the play, going way back in the day. I say once you hit the capital A, rapping on stay. Stained on your brain like a slap to your face. Pay attention, take a listen, don't be looking away. Hey.
Just look at today, I'm happy to say. Turned on by my paycheck bi-weekly, and I really love the way she treat me, give me slices of pie. Gel glide, you can travel on a smoothed out path. Do your graph, X, Y plots, we work your math. If essence is a potion, I'm an emerald whiz. Pass a test and study extra for the pop-in quiz. Graduated in advanced, certified correct.
So I guess I have to do this again, but like the YouTube thing, so like if you guys like this at all, if you could like the video, leave a comment of what's cool about it, what you'd like to see more of, and subscribe so you can catch some more videos, but still feels stupid and weird. Shout out 2 people on the music, Kemosabe on the instrumentals, Big Skittz from his project Rhyme Strong on the drawing sequences. Shout out my boy Alex Burtis, Keystone Studios for the hat. And yeah, I don't know. Just tell you to like, comment, and subscribe more times.